Hello everybody, and in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can screenshot on Windows 11. So there are three ways you can screenshot on Windows 11. The first method is that you're gonna press and hold the Windows key, and as you press and hold the Windows key, you're gonna press the print screen key, and there will be a quick fade you'll see on your screen, meaning Windows has taken a screenshot. The second method is that you're gonna press and hold the Windows key and the Shift key, and as you hold these two keys, you're gonna press S. The snipping tool will open, and you're gonna wanna drag your cursor to the corner of your screen, and by pressing and holding the left click button, you're gonna wanna drag your cursor to the opposite corner. And as you get to the other corner, you're gonna release the left click button to let Windows take a screenshot. For every screenshot Windows made using snipping tool, it's still going to need to manually save it to your system. By clicking the pop-up window that the snipping tool has shown, you're gonna navigate to the save icon and save it to your system wherever you want to. The third method is a little bit same as the previous one. So press and hold again the Windows key and Shift key, and as you hold these two keys, press S. And here you'll see at the top there are 4 buttons you can select. So you can choose from one of these buttons. The first is the rectangular screen snip, the second one is a freeform snip, and the third is a Windows application screen snip, and the fourth is the full screen. So for this method, I'm just gonna use the fourth button of the snipping tool, and there you have it. Windows has taken a screenshot. Again, for this method, you still need to save the file manually, and we're going to do that. Okay. There's an existing file with the same name, so we're just gonna rename this one. And that is how you can screenshot on your Windows 11 device. I hope this helps you. This has been D from Zilliq TV. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.